Hi there, Chef Brittany Riley at Home Appliance. We are going to do a spinach dip breadstick and we're going to shape it like a football. So I did go ahead and roll out my bottom layer. This is just pizza dough. You can make your own or buy store-bought. I am going to go ahead and roll out a top layer now. And basically I free-handed the football, so I'm going to make a top layer to match it. But you can go ahead and cut something out of paper so that you're sure that you're going to get the same size and design. We're going to get that same size going, and then in between we have a nice spinach filling. We'll add some cheese and some spices, and then we'll bake it right before serving. So we'll come back and do all of that. We want to take our nice spinach filling and we want to really squeeze out as much excess liquid as possible. Using a fine mesh strainer helps to let all of the liquid fall down while keeping our good tasty stuff on the top. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze out the excess liquid, and then we'll be able to bring our cheese filling together. We are ready to start assembling our filling. We have some cream cheese, and as you can see, we really were able to get a lot of excess liquid out of our spinach. If we had left that in there, we would have a really soggy breadstick. So it's important to get rid of that. I did obviously use some fresh spinach that I cooked down, but you could absolutely use frozen spinach. You would just want to thaw that and then go through the same exact process of squeezing out that excess liquid. So we have some cream cheese. We are going to go ahead and add in some grated Parmesan cheese. We also have a nice little spice blend of some dried oregano, some onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Go ahead and sprinkle that in. We have some fresh mozzarella and provolone going into this, and then all of our spinach. Okay, we are back, and we have just spread our nice filling over the top of our bottom layer of the football. What we're going to do is sprinkle just a little extra mozzarella cheese over the top and add our top layer of dough. Okay, here we are with our top layer on. What we basically want to do is take a nice slice almost all the way to the middle, and then we start twisting all along the edge. So we'll go ahead and twist all of these pieces and transfer our parchment to our sheet tray. This is going in at 400 degrees for about 20 to 24 minutes. All right, here is our beautiful football. Basically, at this point, we just want to brush a couple tablespoons of melted butter over the top and let it cool a little bit, and it's ready to serve. If you do have a pizza stone at home, you can bake it on that as well, and then it's kind of a nice serving piece. Otherwise, I would move this right onto a big cutting board and serve it up. All right, have fun.